Hey everyone, today is another Stitch Fix unboxing, and this box is a little bit bigger than the ones that I've gotten in the past, so I'm thinking there might be some cozy things. You can pick the frequency that you want to receive fixes. So this one is actually a back-to-back. The last time that I checked out, I did have a 5 for $5 box. They asked me at checkout if I wanted to get a back-to-back box and they would waive the styling fee. So anytime they waive the styling fee, I'm like, what do I have to lose? So I went ahead and scheduled another box. They do send a preview out where you can preview some items and pick 5. And I know a lot of people now have been getting to where they can pick 8 items also, and they'll send you 8 items. I also have a link I'll put in the description box, and that will give you $25 off your first box if you decide you want to try Stitch Fix, which will cover the $20 styling fee and also a little bit more. And then it'll also give me $25 toward my box as well. So I do appreciate anybody that clicks on that link and signs up and gets a box, because that helps us both out. So also, with the $20 styling fee, if you decide to keep something from the box, that $20 does go toward that. So you're really not out anything. So let's go ahead and get started opening this box. I can't wait any longer. Oh, and I did forget to tell you that you do have 3 days to return anything that you don't want. And there is a pre-packaged envelope that comes in here for you to send anything back you don't want. And then there's also 1 sheet of paper that gives you a QR code where you can see some styling inspiration, and then it gives you a note from your stylist. And I have my same stylist, Jasmine. I really like her. And then it'll give you the price points, which we'll go over whenever I try everything on. So my bundle has kind of like opened up. So let's see if I can get all of this out. So here's my bundle. It kind of just came crashing out. So I'm gonna try to take it back in. So here she is, and it looks like there's some really pretty colors in here. Well, the first thing I feel on here feels very soft. So this is a button-up top from Cosmic Blue Love. It's the Harper Knit button-down shirt in black, size medium. This feels so soft, almost like a fleece or a brushed flannel. This feels good. I hope it fits, because a lot of times in button-ups, I can't wear a medium. And then this blue is a gorgeous color. It doesn't feel as soft. So this is from Market and Spruce. It's the Constance Cozy V-neck tunic sweater in navy, size medium. It's got a nice V-neck, and I love the color. I think this is a really beautiful color. It looks more brighter than a navy. And then here's something green. Feels very soft. It is from Pink Clover. It's the Jazzy V-neck sweater in dark green. Very soft feeling. So it looks like it may be a V-neck in the front and in the back. Something purple. So this is from Letty and Me. I have a cardigan in the same color from the same brand. Admon long sleeve cow neck sweater in purple, size medium. I think it says it's a Stitch Fix exclusive. So we'll see how that looks, a little bit more casual. And then yes, these pants feel almost like a flannel pant. They are from Democracy, love that brand. Athleisure wide leg pull-on pants in brown, size medium. So they have elastic, which I really like. It looks like you'll get a lot of stretch with these. And they feel really nice, and a nice wide leg. Can you see that pattern that's on here? Almost like a herringbone pattern. So really nice. Oh, they feel good. So I can't wait to try all these on. All right, so I have the pants on, and I'm just gonna keep these pants on for all the other tops, even though they might not match, just because of the fact these are so comfortable. I can't get over how comfortable they are. And then I have one of these sweaters on. So we'll go ahead and start with the sweater. And I think this is really nice. So it has the V-neck, and then I think in the back, it also has like a little bit of a lower V-neck in the back. So love that. This is super soft. I think it feels really good. I like that it has this little bit of balloon sleeve. It's got some ribbing at the bottom of this. I like the neckline. I love how it feels. It feels really nice. And I love this dark green color. Can you see the color up close? So I just kind of roll my sweaters under, and that's how I like to wear them. And then I was trying to get all the tags off of here so you could see the pants. These are from Democracy, and I know they're going to be a little bit expensive because Democracy is, but look at this wide leg. I love the wide leg. First of all, these are the coziest. They're just a pull-on style, so they look really dressed because you got your belt loops, this faux fly here, but it's just a pull-on style. It's got this little paneling on the side, but these, oh gosh, they're so comfortable. So I was saying when I first opened them, they felt like a brushed flannel, if you know what I'm saying. That fleecy brushed flannel feel, they're super cozy and warm. And it's got the elastic in the back, so there's like a lot of room to adjust in that waist area. And I just love this. And I like the little bit of, it looks like a herringbone detail, and this brown color. I think it's really nice. So I think I like both of these. The Pants, I know they'd be a little bit expensive, are from Democracy. The athleisure wide leg pull-on, $78. And then this top is the pink clover jazzy v-neck sweater, and it's $49. So I'm gonna try on the other tops, but I'm leaving these pants on because they're super comfortable. Yes, this sweater does not match these pants, but these pants are not coming off. This is more of a tunic style sweater, and I love this color. They're calling it navy, but it looks between a royal blue and a navy. Really pretty. I like the ribbon detail, the slits on the side, ribbon detail at the bottom here, this V-neck. So I'm not sure. It seems to have bottom coverage, but I'd have to try this on with leggings to see if this would be something that I'd wear with leggings. I love this though. I love the color of it, and it is super soft. It feels so nice. So this one is the Market & Spruce Constance Cozy V-neck sweater. It's $55, and then I have two more tops to try on. So here is the black button-up top, and I'm shocked. I have a lot of room in the chest area. A lot of times with buttons ups, they want a gap right here on me, but this one is nice. It's got this pocket detail right here. I can't get over how this feels. I have never had a button-up top that's not like that knit feel or a silky feel. Gosh, I can't describe this feel. It's good and soft though. It's almost like some of those, not a fleece, not like a shacket material, but it feels good. I would say this is like a medium weight. It's a little bit heavier than just your regular like cotton or poplin button-up tops. Oh gosh, I love the feel of this. So here it is. It's in the black, and of course it's gonna go with anything. A black button-up, you can't go wrong with that. And I have plenty of room. Oh, but I do not like the price of this. This is from Cosmic Blue Love, the Harper Knit button-down in black. $88, you guys. This is even more expensive than the pants are. But after I try this last thing on, we're gonna do the Stitch Fix math, and it's probably gonna be free. Okay, so here's the last thing, is that cow neck, and a lot of times I gotta be particular about my cow necks because I don't like them up against my neck, but this one definitely isn't. This is more of that tunic style. So of course it doesn't look good with these pull-on pants, or it's not gonna look good with jeans because you're gonna see that jean detail, the button detail right here. But I do like the curved hemline, and as you can see, it does have that bottom coverage. So I'm thinking that this would be good with some leggings. I love to layer like puffer vests over cow necks, so I think that might be a good look, a puffer vest with some leggings with this top. I think that might be a good look. So this is the Letty and Me admin long sleeve cow neck, $49. Okay, so the total is $319, and then if you buy all 5 items, you get the 25% off, which that discount is $79.75. And with that black button down, I didn't really like the price of it because it was $88. But if I just use that 25% and in my mind think I'm taking $79 off the $88, that's not too bad for a button up, because the price of the other ones without a discount, I think is a pretty good price. So my Stitch Fix math makes me think that the button up top is worth it. So if I got all 5 items, which is a really nice pair of pants, Democracy, that's a great brand, usually more on the expensive side, almost close to $100. And then 2 sweaters, a tunic, cow neck, and then a button up for $239. I think that's a phenomenal deal. So guys, what did you think? I, again, love the color of that sweater. That blue color, I think, is just a really beautiful color. I don't think I have a sweater in that color. I've got the navy and I've got the royal blue, but that's kind of a mix, almost like a tealish as well. So I really like that. That button-up shirt, I just love the material of that. These pants, I don't even want to take these pants off right now. I may wear them for the rest of the day. But I think everything was a good. See, they get me. That's why Stitch Fix likes me. That's why I stopped Stitch Fix 3 years ago. It's because I was buying everything from every fix, and it was adding up. So I just had to give myself a break, and then I started it back, and I'm doing the same thing. So let me know what you guys think. Do you like anything from this box? Do you like everything from this box? What are your guys' thoughts? I would love to know. Also, I would love to have you consider hitting that subscribe button, because I do weekly videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That'll make me know to keep buying these Stitch Fix boxes and sharing them with you guys. So I hope to see you in my next video. And until then, I hope you have a wonderful day.